Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play console games on your PC. So let's get started right away. For this you will need to install an emulator called RetroArch. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in retroarch.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official RetroArch website. Now click on the Get RetroArch button and you also have the option to try it online. When you click on the Get button, just skip through the advertisement and then choose the stable version. Once the installer has been downloaded on your device, go ahead and open it up and then click through the next buttons and then choose your installation directory. Then click on next once again. And if you haven't already installed the DirectX 9 runtime, then make sure to check this as well. Now after finally clicking on the install button, this will begin the download and installation of the RetroArch application on your device. Just wait until the installation is completed. And once the install is completed, you can find the RetroArch application when you search from your device. You can now open up the application and start setting up your cores. Now from the main menu, you can go into the load core option to download your desired core. And from the core list, you can choose your desired console. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enjoy console games on your PC using the RetroArch emulator. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.